the sessions were good, sir.
Yeah.
I think what was important was like information on these topics. We can get it on web or YouTube or anything. But what was important is someone we are able to get the attention, get the time of a senior person who has spent 34 plus years into the industry. So this opportunity, I think many people will not get. It can be a boss, it can, but who will spend 3, 4, 5 hours explaining about their topic, because they would be in their own world. But to get the attention and then ask about the questions, clarify and all, I think this was most valuable. I think what was even more valuable was some of that insights of this kind of a long experience. Like when we also cross that kind of an experience, this it's not easy. Like a few things like being on time. This YouTube and web will not give this kind of an insight. And simple things like today, good insight more than on budget was just approach the finance and HR teams in advance of any meeting. Make them to be on your side so that when the actual meeting happens, they are the one who are supporting. Again, this insight, lot of information will be there on how to prepare budget and all, but this insight will come only with experience. I think this I find it very valuable, sir. Even some of the yesterday's sessions also, these are very simple insights, but very valuable when we actually look at it from that point of view. So actual experience, so much of experience that you have got. These are the takeaways that are more important than the actual subject content. Simple things like you are told something about 20 years back about how you have made your personal finance and then being debt free. This is again for a lot of us who are into that path. This is a guidance. It's not about how to make a finance and all, but someone who has crossed the bridge and then telling that, see, this is what you need to do. I think this insight is valuable. I'm definitely sure not only for us. I think your other colleagues, Captain and Umesh and all who are also listening to all this. This is what is the takeaway for me, that someone who has crossed the bridge, who is looking back and then telling that these are the things that you need to do, will help. Very small things, but these are the valuable things. Information will be available, sir, on net. That is not important, but someone who has actually lived through this, who is telling us that is the impact. I think that is what is the important thing, is what I feel.
Wonderful session of last 5 days, sir. All the subjects are covered in the FM professionals required. They start from strategic thinking or innovative and the team synergy, change management, the finance, whatever the subjects required for the FM professional, everything is covered with the beautiful explanation with your years of 3+ decades of years of experience. Now, moreover, I like with the interaction with your achievements, sir. So that we cannot find it anywhere. So that I'm very much inspired, sir. So thank you for giving the opportunity, sir. It's a wonderful session.
So it was a good experience. Of course, if it is, for 1 hour, it becomes a little bit okay. Sometimes you feel it should be a little bit more, but actually you lose track after an hour. So 1 hour, I think, is the ideal time. And what I liked was, of course, the topics which was kept on a daily basis. So there was no merging of topics. So that leads to, you can focus on that. You learn only on that.
Yes.
Second is the simplicity of the PPTs and how you manage the slides. That is something which is very nice. Now, for some people, maybe it may not be attractive because everybody likes to see a lot of bang and all, but for me, I'm old fashioned. I like this type of big letters and very simple wordings, and also is that all the 5 days your presentation style is the same. So the PPTs are the same with the steps, with the very simple. that's something which is very nice, because I normally see it's like different for every other day, or different as per topics. So I think more or less it was quite okay for basics. And yes, of course, learnings are supposed to be useful only if you use it in your day-to-day life. Otherwise it's just some good notes that you have taken. So the important is how fast and how soon you implement these learning, then only it is worthwhile. Otherwise it's just like time pass.
Regarding the session which has been taken by you. It was a very, I will say, as my 25 years plus experience, I can say the way you have adopted this methodology, how to put the right example at the right place. I can only share two, which I like very much. One, you share the example of when you and Umesh, I believe, I'm not mistaken the name. You and Umesh, when you went to some of the restaurant and you said, ki, there is a parking is not there, but when you went there and you saw, ki, yeah, in the front of the restaurant, you saw a parking. So that was the concept of your subconscious mind. When your subconscious mind says you, ki, no, I'm sure about ki, there will be parking over there. And when you went there and you told Umesh ki, see, what I said was true. So this type of example when you are sharing, I'm saying from my bottom of my heart, ki, these are the small things which you have shared, and that needs to be taken by people like us who are sitting opposite of you, and the experience what you have been sharing. I won't say ki you have given the best out of it, but I will say ki you have given best out of it. It's not like praising you, but and second example I can tell you about the Excel sheet which you have mentioned right now. I won't take much more time. As you have said, you are supposed to give us 60 seconds. So in that 60 seconds, I just wanted to share these two things which you have fantastically you said, and we really are very happy to. And what Vineet said, ki, now today's generation they require like PPT should be of like some different ways, and you have maintained the same limit like from day one to today, the concluding part of today. The PPT was really amazing. It's a simple step where every individual can able to understand. Now, for my concern, I am from procurement. Okay, and what most of the example which came was facility operation project, but there is a lot of things that we need to take out of it, and really it was an amazing journey. And I hope in future also I can able to join this type of session. Really amazing, and really I liked it. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
This is Umesh here, sir. Thank you very much for this session. It was really helpful for me. Like everyone has their own, approach when it comes to all these topics, right? To ensure we are on the right track, and to go back and see if our approach is perfect, and what is the improvements that are required to be implemented. That is where I felt this session very useful. And and also very few such trainings are organized in our FM fraternity. So I really appreciate for your efforts in setting up this material and this presentation. It was really useful for me. Wherever the corrections are required, I'll definitely try to implement as soon as possible. That is the takeaway from my end, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sir, I mean, the learning from you, it's a kind of rich for me, and there were a lot of topics which you covered were completely new to me. So it is gonna really helpful. I mean, in building my career in facility management. Thank you so much for your time, and the contents were really good, sir. Thank you for that also. Thank you so much.